Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on unlinking your Bitmoji from your Snapchat account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Snapchat and go to your profile screen. Click on the Settings button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. On the Settings page, click on Bitmoji. Now click on the Unlink My Bitmoji option at the bottom of the page. Click Unlink on the pop-up. Your Bitmoji is now unlinked from your Snapchat account, and as you can see, if I go back to my profile screen, I no longer have a Bitmoji. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.